Why don't senior citizens need bookmarks for their Golden Years Gazette magazine? Because every time they start reading, they forget where they left off, and as soon as they open it, it feels like they're reading a brand new issue all over again. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on magazine for seniors. Tip 1. Choose magazine topics that are relevant to the interests of seniors. Topics could include health, wellness, hobbies, or travel. A magazine that provides knowledge and information on areas such as the best exercises for seniors, tips on dealing with common age-related health problems, travel packages that cater to seniors, hobbies that senior can engage in, can be an engaging read for them. Tip 2. Opt for large print. As we get older, eyesight can deteriorate and it can be harder to read small text. By choosing a large print magazine, seniors can read it comfortably and effortlessly. Tip 3. Ensure the language used in the magazine is simple. Avoid jargon or complex language to ensure that the content is easily understandable. Catchy and concise language game can make it more engaging. Tip 4. Use high-quality images and illustrations. Vibrant and high-resolution images can catch the reader's attention and raise interest in the content. Simple, clear graphics and diagrams can help explain complex information. Tip 5. Include puzzles and games. Mental stimulation is important for maintaining cognitive function in older age. Including crossword puzzles, Sudoku, word searches and other similar activities can provide both entertainment and cognitive stimulation. Tip 6. Have a regularly updated section of upcoming events for seniors in the local area. This can include anything from book clubs to garden tours to senior fitness classes. This not only gives senior readers something to look forward to, but it can also help them to stay socially engaged and active. Tip 7. Include personal stories or anecdotes from other seniors. Reading about others' experiences can be comforting and entertaining, and it can help seniors to feel less alone in their experiences. Tip 8. Provide a section for feedback and queries. Seniors often have specific questions or issues they want to learn about. Having a place for them to voice these things and get responses can be valuable. Tip 9. Include DIY tips or creative ideas. Many seniors enjoy getting creative or doing practical tasks around the house. A section with ideas for home improvement, gardening or simple crafts could be very interesting. Tip 10. Keep it light-hearted and upbeat. While it's important to provide serious, important information, balance it with fun, light-hearted articles and stories to keep the tone optimistic and enjoyable. Tip 11. Consider periodicals that cater to seniors' digital literacy. Many seniors are becoming more and more tech-savvy, so having an online edition, email newsletter or app can be a benefit. Include tips and guides on how to navigate these digital platforms so that all readers can enjoy the magazine in the format they prefer.